Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all is well. In today's video we will see how to schedule a meeting in Cisco Webex, so watch the video carefully. So let's go to the screen of our laptop. Before starting the video, let me tell you what is Webex. So Webex is a video conferencing platform developed by Cisco company, from where you can organize virtual meetings, workshops, online trainings, online classes, because it is more secure than other video conferencing mediums. If you do meeting on a large level, then you have to purchase its license, whose price you can see on the screen. Now let's get start video. First of all, type webex.com in Google. Click on the first website. Click on the sign in button. After that, enter the email. Here you will enter the email address from which you have purchased the Webex license. After that, sign. Enter the email password here and sign in again. OK. You can see here that the Webex dashboard has been opened. If you look now, here you will see many options. But for now we will only learn to schedule meetings. Then everything else we will know in the upcoming video. Click Scheduled Meeting. Now the tab of Meeting Schedule will be open in front of you. First of all, there is Meeting Type. Here you do not have to make any changes. Here enter the password of the meeting. For example, this is my password. After that, put the date and time here. And set the meeting's timing. And from here you can set the duration of the meeting. You can set the time zone from here. You can set the time zone according to your country, right? Here you will get the option of attendance. What is the attendance? If you want to share the meeting link to those people who are part of this meeting. So by typing their email from here, you can share the direct link on their mail. For example, if we want to share the link of the meeting in david@gmail.com, then type their email here and enter. After that, click on the schedule. Now you can see that your meeting is scheduled. Okay, till now everything is fine. If we want to make some changes in the meeting, for that we will click on the edit button here. Now the tab of the rescheduled meeting will be open. Now you can reschedule the meeting again. For example, I changed the topic of the meeting and also changed the password. And the duration of the meeting is 3 hours. OK, and then save it. Please note if before you edit the meeting. If the meeting link has been sent to the people who are invited to this meeting, then Webex AI mails the alert to them. Now, how to cancel the meeting. For this, click on Delete button from here. And click on Yes from here. When the meeting is cancelled by the host, Webex AI will also send a notification to the participants that the meeting has been cancelled. Okay, so hope you liked the video, and today's video that's all. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thanks till then.